liver lobule. Centrally, what is there? Central vein. And on each side, these are all cells will be there. Hepatocytes is there here. This is the portal triad. Yes or no?
Yes.
So, here what is there in the portal triad? Bile duct is there. The portal triad. Bile duct is open. Portal vein is open. Hepatic artery is open. This is here, it is there. From here, here what is there? Central vein. What is the central vein? Hepatic veins. Hepatic veins. Hepatic veins which are venous drainage of the liver. Hepatic veins, right hepatic vein, left hepatic vein, veins is there, venous drainage. That is venous drainage coming from here, taking the venous of the liver. So here क्या है? Portal triad. What are they? Bile duct is there.
Hepatic artery.
Portal vein is there. Portal vein, hepatic artery. So here what is there? Mixing. So this is the artery. Artery will be going and supplies to the here enter. That blood is coming here, supplies to the all lobules. What artery? Arterial bed. Arterial bed, what it carries? Nutrition and oxygen. It is coming. The hepatocytes will be taking the nutrition. What are the cells is there? All hepatocytes is there. It will take in the nutrition from the hepatic artery, oxygen from the hepatic artery. This hepatocyte is taking. Hepatocytes release the carbon dioxide, waste products. That all blood will be going towards here. It is in the central. Okay, central vein. Central vein, all central vein unite to form the hepatic veins. Hepatic vein. Hepatic veins finally drain into hepatic veins for where it is drain? Inferior vena cava. Yes or no? So now this is the venous blood going here. Hepatocytes taking nutrition, all those things. Next क्या है? Bile. Hepatocytes say it release the secretions. What is that? Bile juice. Bile juice entered here. From there all portal triads unite to form the big bile. Right lobe, right bile duct, left bile duct. Both ducts unite to form the common bile duct. Common bile duct which is connection to the cystic. That is the hepatic duct. Right and left hepatic duct unite to form the cystic duct. It form the common bile duct. Common bile duct finally opened into the second part of the duodenum with the pancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct which is opened to the second part of the duodenum. So bile juice it is coming from the liver. Liver से किधर से आ रहा? हेपेटोसाइट्स. ये मालूम हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्या है?